Welcome to the VMware Hands-on Lab session today. It's nice to see all of you. Most of the seats are full. Nice to see you come in so early in the morning, and it's pretty chill outside. So I'll just give you a small brief on the session today, and then I'll hand it over to Mr. Deepak Bansal. He's a staff solutions engineer based out of Delhi, and he will actually walk you through the labs that we have for today. And then we have a team of about 10 support staff, all engineers. You can please feel free, ask them whatever you have in terms of doubts, questions, queries. If you're stuck somewhere in the lab, they'll be walking around here to support you, right? Now, as far as the labs are concerned, we have about 10 labs which you can pick and choose. We'll have 3 sessions starting from 9. I mean, we're a little late, but yeah, starting at 9, ending at 11. The next session starts from 11 to 1. 1 to 2, we have a break. And then if you want to stay back for the 2 to 4 session, you're welcome to do that. Right? Now, we've got like 4 segments. We've got labs from the data center division. We've got labs from the end user compute, which is the desktop division. And then we've got something on the cloud and new technologies as well. Right? So just a few things that I would want to tell you is you can take as many labs as you want. These labs are live once you've registered yourself for about a year. So you can use the labs in case you're not able to complete some modules today. You can use them use the same services at your home or at the office, wherever you think it's relevant. And if you have any questions, queries, post that, you can drop us an email and we'll get it answered for you. If you want demos or POCs or any technology discussions to happen in your office, all of us around, just let us know when you want us to do that, and we'll be happy to come down and complete the sessions for you. There'll be a small video now for about a minute or so, and then I'll hand it over to Mr. Deepak to take it forward.
All innovators start by solving a problem. As the world changes, the problems we need to solve change too. VMware helps you anticipate change and realize new possibilities. That's because we're not just VMware. We're the foundation for digital business everywhere. We're multi-cloudware, next-gen appware, edge and IoTware. With a digital foundation built on VMware, new technologies deliver more value faster, and IT becomes more efficient, automated, and secure. But the real magic of our technology is what people do with it. So think of us as invent the future where, change lives where, dream big where. VMware. Realize what's possible.
Okay, so good morning everyone. I am Deepak Bansal. So today I am going to present a hands-on lab, how to get an access and what are the labs we have shortlisted, right? And if you have any issue to getting an access to lab or to any features you are not able to access it, please let us know. There are a lot of folks from VMware who can help you, right? So first, this is the disclaimer. I want to let you know that because we have shortlisted a lot of new products labs here where the feature can be discontinued or product name can also be changed. Because recently we have acquired some of the companies like AV Networks, like Heptio. So we have recently launched engineering lab for that. So you can get an access for that labs like PKS Essential and Solutions, like AV Networks. All that hands-on labs, you can get an access. You can see the features, you can explore the functions, what are the new functions are there, right? So this is just disclaimer to tell you. So there are total 12 labs we have shortlisted. These are the same HOL labs we have shown in our vForum 2019 in Mumbai as well as in Bangalore, even in our VMware Summit as well, which happens every year, right? So I'll explain most of the labs here, like first lab. This is a modernize your data center with VMware Cloud Foundation. So VMware Cloud Foundation is VCF, which is a soft bundle of multiple VMware products. Like it starts with vSphere, NSX, and vSAN, right? So this is a basic foundation layer. If you have to create your own private cloud, or if you want to extend your cloud with the public cloud solution on AWS or on Azure or on Google. So you can also create a hybrid cloud with modernize your data center with VCF Lab and VCF product, right? And apart from that, there are how you can do patch fixing, how you can do updates, how you can run SDDC manager. So all that features are there. There are multiple modules. All modules are independent from each and other. So you can try according to your requirement, according to your interest for this lab. So this is a very vast lab where most of the products will be covered. So second one is VMware vSAN. So if you have a specific requirement, or if you are already using some software-defined storage, or if you are exploring to get software-defined storage feature, then VMware vSAN is the technology where you can create your own HCI solution in combination of compute as well as storage with vSAN technologies. You can leverage if you are having existing storage compute node, you can leverage with vSAN technology. So you can try on VMware vSAN, how it works, how vSAN cluster can be collaborated with vSphere. So it's very easy, just you need to click on vSAN while you are creating vSphere cluster on vCenter. So you can see the features, how you can create vSAN encryption, or how you can create volumes, or how you can create multiple cluster on vSAN, right? Apart from that, there is another lab we have shortlisted, NSXT Data Center. NSXT is the latest name we have changed from NSXV to T. Actually, in NSXV, which was typical with VMware vSphere compatible software-defined data center to leverage your software-defined network features. In NSXT, if you have to extend that software-defined network features like switching, like routing, firewalling, as well as load balancing, all that features you can extend from your vSphere data center to other platforms, like if you are having some bare metal systems, like if you are having some other cloud solutions, or if you want to leverage your public cloud solutions. So all that environment you can extend with NSXT data center offering. So in this lab, you can get an exposure about NSXT, how it works with other products. You can explore according to your interest in NSXT data center. Another lab is vRealize Operations 7.5. In this lab, you will come to know what are the new features we have incorporated in vRealize Operations 7.5 comparative to 6.5 or earlier versions, right? So if you are already using like vSphere operation management, or if you are using vRealize Suite or vCloud Suite, vRealize Operation is a bundle product with all these offering, and you can get to know what are the new features are there, and then you can make a strategy to upgrade from your existing or earlier version of vRealize Operations. If you are already using vRealize Automation for making your private cloud, so in vRealize Automation, we have launched the latest lab on 7.6. You can see the latest features of vRealize Automation as well in respective to blueprints, or in respective to provisioning, or in respective to day two actions. All the things you can explore, okay? So there is a new recent labs we have incorporated in respective to if you are running Kubernetes environment, like if you are having cloud native workload either on-prem or in your private cloud or in your public cloud, then how you can integrate that advanced networking with NSXT. So there are a lot of organizations who are facing challenges in respective to advanced networking integration with cloud native environments. So NSXT is the product where you will get end-to-end solution in respective to either layer 2 switching or in respective to, you can say, layer 3 routing, firewalling, as well as application load balancing. So all that features you can leverage from one product. So in cloud native environment, usually you have to depend upon open source product and you have to rely on 3 or 4 tools to leverage all that features. So you can see that how that you can explore end-to-end features with the NSXT data center with the integration of Kubernetes with this lab. And we also have a, if you have to do any network analysis, we recently launched a new version of vRealize Network Insight 5.0. So you can also explore if you are running NSXT data center in your private cloud or public cloud. With VRNI, you can see how your traffic, network traffic flows among your virtual machines or towards your switching and towards your perimeter firewall or switches. All that network flows you can see, and you can do root cause analysis, or you can do proactive steps if anywhere your application performance gets degraded. So Network Insight is a very vast and good tool, and you can leverage whatever the features we have by accessing this lab. We recently acquired a company around 3 months ago, AV Networks. So, you know, AV Networks provide global load balancer solution as well as other advanced networking features. So, though we have changed that product name known as a NSX Advanced Load Balancer, which provide you a AV Networks load balancing solution. If you want to try, if you are already using it, you can explore this lab. Now the product name will get changed from VMware AV Networks to NSX Advanced Load Balancer. So if you want to explore any global load balancer features with AV Networks, you can try this lab. So this is a new lab recently we have launched in our vFarm. So similarly, we have another lab, VMware Essential PKS. So this is a lab which is a fully independent of VMware product. This is the only lab where if you want to, if you are already using cloud native Kubernetes environment, either on-prem or in public cloud, or on virtualized environment, either on vSphere or on any other hypervisor, then using VMware Essential PKS, you can install latest upstream Kubernetes binary in your data center, and then you can integrate other tools like for backup we have Valero, for you can say conference we have Sonobuoy, and for reverse proxy we have Contour Tour. So all that products you can integrate, all are bundled product, which comes from recent acquisition of Heptio we have recently done. So using this lab, VMware Essential PKS, you can see all the features of latest Kubernetes binaries as well as integration with other products. So next is VDI solution. If you are using virtual desktop infrastructure solution on your data center using VMware Horizon 7, you can explore latest features of VMware Horizon 7 with this lab. Similarly, if you have endpoint management solution using Workspace ONE, you can explore Workspace ONE UEM features with the HOL 2051 number. So last but not the least, VMware Cloud on AWS. So this is again a new offering which we have launched in India around 4 to 6 months ago. If you want to leverage VMware technology in respective to integrate your private cloud solution with Amazon Cloud, using VMC on AWS, you can create actual hybrid cloud. With the VMC on AWS, a lot of customers are saying, I have to extend my footprint from private cloud solution to public cloud. As my load gets increased in peak hours, it should be extended. But I want to leverage same private cloud technology like customers are mostly using VMware. That should not be compromised. So to meet that requirement, we have launched VMC on AWS. So you can leverage VMware Cloud on AWS features as well by accessing this lab. So this is just briefing I have covered up. So now I have some slides. If you are a new user on Hands-on Lab, how to get an access to HOL. So I'll cover on that. So if you open this landing page, so this is the landing page. I hope everyone is able to see this landing page by accessing this URL. You can note down this URL if that browser gets closed, so you can open it again. If it is not in your bookmarks, you can create it. So this is the URL we have created to access all these 12 labs. So as per your choice, as per your interest, you can opt any lab, okay, to get an access. You can see all the 12 labs using this URL. I hope everyone will be able to see this landing homepage in everyone's laptop. So like here, as an example, out of 12, first 6 labs we have shown case. So any lab you can take. You just, if, for example, I want to access vRealize Automation Getting Started Lab, right? So what I will do, or vRealize Operation, I have to click on take this lab first, right? After clicking it, what you will get next page on that particular lab, like HOL vRealize Automation Getting Started, right? So after clicking on take this lab, the second page will come like this. So what you have to do, you have to click on login first or register. If you are accessing HOL URL first time, then you have to register it by putting your first name, last name, and email address, and your password according to your choice. You have to register first time. If you are already registered, if you are already a existing HOL user, you have to put your existing credentials on login screen. So what you will get in login screen, like I have to put my username and password. Like in my case, I have my official ID, bansal@vmware.com. Similarly, whatever email ID you have put while doing registration, you have to choose as a username. So this is the login screen you will get after registration, or if you have already done registration, you have to put your username and password. Then you need to click on, then you will get the same screen again. Then what you have to do, you have to click on enroll, okay? So as you click on enroll, your lab will get started, okay? So yeah, after clicking on this, you will get another menu. You have to click on start this lab. Then actually your lab will get started, okay? So as you click on start this lab, so first time you will get 90 minutes to finish whatever modules are available in this lab. 1 hour 30 minutes it's written. So total 90 minutes you will get. So within 90 minutes, don't be in a hurry to complete all the modules because all modules are independent of each other. So according to your choice, you can select that modules. And if required, you can also extend that time period from 90 to another 90 minutes, right? So up to maximum 4 times you can extend it if you want to complete that lab in a one shot. Okay, so there is a lab hands-on manual is also available at right side where you can get an instruction or you get an information of whatever the products we have integrated in that lab. Okay. So if you want to end, for example, by mistake you have open a lab where you have no interest or no requirement, you can click on end button immediately and then start it again with another lab. Okay. So there are some few you can say points you need to note it down. So supported browsers. So these are the browsers which are supported for HOL labs like Google Chrome, Firefox or IE. Most of the common browsers are supported here. So any of these browsers you can, through browser you can get an access. So you are free to choose any labs, so there is no any restriction. And we have given a dedicated laptop and monitor. So with the monitor, what you can do, either you can shift lab manual from your laptop to monitor, or your lab area you can monitor from your laptop to monitor. In that way you will get better screen experience to explore a lab. So try to use both the instruments. So please read the instructions and manual, whatever given in before starting this lab. Please follow all the instructions to start a lab. So if you find any issue to start your lab, so there are VMware folks here, so you can raise your hand, so we will help you immediately. Do not try attempting multiple labs. Please attempt only one lab. If it is not in your interest, you can end that lab immediately and you can start it again another lab. But don't try to attempt 2 labs simultaneously. It will create an issue for you. So if you are unable to complete this lab in a limited time hours, like 90 minutes you will get in current time slot, then we have to start another session after 11 to 1, and then we have third session from 2 o'clock to 4 p.m. So if you are unable to complete it, you can get an access the same labs at your home as well by using this URL, labs.hol.vmware.com. So through this URL, you can get an access. So you can complete that lab at your home or in your office or wherever you like to get an access. So these are the instructions you have to follow. So if any questions, I can answer immediately relevant to any issues. Or during your labs, we are a lot of VMware folks here. You can raise your hand, we can help you accordingly. So that's it from my side. So I'll now let you know that start your lab and follow the manual instruction, whatever given in the manuals. Then accordingly, if you have any issue, please raise your hand, then accordingly we will help you. Thank you so much.